The E extension identifies an E source code file containing programming code in the E programming language, designed for secure distributed computing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, compile, or run these E language source files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the E format and dozens of others obsolete. E files are source code files in the E programming language, an object capability language designed for secure distributed computing. They contain class definitions, message passing patterns, promise-based concurrency constructs, and capability-secured object interactions. E source files use a Java-like syntax with unique features including eventual send operators for asynchronous messaging promise resolution patterns and capability-based security primitives. They run on the E runtime environment built on the Java virtual machine. The E format operates under the official standards set by E language from electric communities. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your E file and click Open With. If E language is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If you still cannot open your E file, that is okay. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, running E programs. Install the E runtime from ewrites.org, which runs on the Java virtual machine. Execute eSource files using the run command or the E interactive environment. Ensure Java JDK is installed as E compiles to and runs on the JVM platform. Next, editing code. Open E files in any text editor or IDE with Java syntax, highlighting for approximate syntax coloring. Write object definitions using the def keyword and use the operator for eventual sends and the operator for immediate calls, following E's dual dispatch pattern. Finally, understanding E concepts. E's unique features include capability-based security, where object references serve as unforgeable capabilities, and eventual sends for distributed computing. Study the E documentation at ewrites.org to understand promise-based concurrency and secure distributed object patterns. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.